welcome back. We're back on air. Aiden's in the house. Today what we're going to do is we're going to tell the truth, and we always tell the truth anyways, but the truth is going to be told whether the front end fits the Jaguar. You watch this put the front end on. We Z'd it and bring the front end suspension up, but we tried to leave everything else the same. So now we're going to go out and get our front end. Aiden's here to help me carry it, and we're going to find out if the front end still fits. I'm saying that the mounts are exactly the same because we built them off the chassis, but put a couple C-clamps there to see if it fits, and that's what we're going to do. Yesterday was a beautiful day here, and today it's so hot here. I seen a dog a little while ago chasing a cat, and they were both walking. It's that hot. But anyways, we got the running board sandblasted for the truck. We got the braces for the fender sandblasted. I got both fenders. So we had the sheet metal work done a couple of days ago. We've got our wheels made. They're in town getting some tires put on. So tomorrow, you come back tomorrow, you'll probably get to see some tires put on the old 48 Ford and drop down to the ground. Aiden's been cleaning the engine. Jolene looks like a 10, got a brain of a 20. Things are going good, but we're going to grab the front end and try that on. I want to get the front end primed on the car to see what it looks like, and today's the day. Yeah, Fina chasing a cat and they're both walking. It was that hot. Haven't been in this little room for a while. All right, it might work. I was just looking as I come in here, I could see that the braces are down and the square tubing is there, but we're gonna see. If Aiden, you'll grab one side, I'm gonna grab the other side. We'll grab one hand up here and one hand on the inner fender to stop it from rocking best we can. Basically, fenders are there waiting. There's the hood waiting. But today's the day. Hard to do this stuff by yourself. That's why I sort of waited for Aiden, because it's hard to carry this stuff by yourself. I like the inner fenders because they're primed already. More or less just have to sand them down and prime them again. They look fantastic. More or less we're just going to see if the front end fits. Up and over. Alrighty. I see that the bracket fits, but we're going to have you've got yours cut out there, and mine is not. So I'm going to have to cut mine out to bring mine down. Yours is going to fit perfectly, is it not, Aiden? If I bring this back a little bit, can yours going to fit back there if you just, nope. That just goes on just like so, man. We just take that. That just goes on just like that. C-clamp it for me. Look at that, would you? Hickory dickory dock. You finish it, Aiden. Or you don't want to? Too tight for you?
A little bit. Me and finicky.
No, that's good. That's tight. Okay.
There we go.
Awesome. So, I'm thinking that would fit. We have a little bit more taken out of that right there. The brackets fit up front. This one has to have some taken out of it, just like on that side. So basically what I'm seeing is we have to trim. I'm going to get a marker. That's good. This is nice that this all is shaped like that. That's nice that that's like that. That side there, you can see how it's trimmed there. I have to trim this back a little bit on this side right here. Just a little bit right here maybe. Let's bring that back. And let's follow that down. Let's bring that back a little bit. This one here, what I'm going to do is do the exact same thing as I got on this one. You can, if you go on the other side, sweetheart, or this side, you can see how that square there is halved. Let's half this one. You can see that right there. Continue on straight with that, and I'm just going to continue on straight back with it. And I'm just going to eye it up from here to this line and just try to make it straight. It's not straight, but piece of tape would help. And basically we're back. All I'm doing is eyeing it up. There's a hole right here like a cat's eye, and it's in the middle of it before it comes down. Basically. I'm gonna jump up in there. Not gonna hurt anything. No, I'm not gonna hurt a damn thing. Like that, like that. Just wondering. Okay. I'm going to cut a little bit off that. I'm going to cut. We'll start with that. We'll take the clamp off there, Aiden, old buddy. Just hold your front end as you unclamp it. Or you want me to hold it as you unclamp it?
Yes, please. That'd be awesome.
Yes, please, he said. Look at that. Look how polite he is. Yes, please. Got a hold of her now, bye?
Got it.
Alrighty, now we're going to peel this bad boy off. I'm going to cut that off. I'm going to cut that off with a zip cut, or am I going to plasma cut it off? Looks good and straight. I think I'll just zip cut it off. I think it'd be the easiest thing. Pair of glasses. Zip cut blades down here. Jolene lowered my ears for me this morning. She said she put 20 years right on me. Huh? Put 20 years right on me. She's young, that is, not old, young. Alrighty. And this one here, I don't know why this one's here is like that. You can see this one's here. This one here has got the extra piece that comes down, as it's got a haft on here, and it's haft on there. This one has got it cut off and then scoops back. We're just going to do the exact same thing on this one, that's all. I'm gonna come on this side, get a little piece of one to cut extra out of this one. Left a little bit for the die grinder or the flapper wheel to smoothen it out. Kick that aside. Let's try it again, Hayden. Alrighty. I am still up a little bit too much. I'm just gonna, what am I gonna do? Just looking at it for now. Just up a little bit too much still. I don't think I'm up. How's your fitting now? Nice?
Yes.
Can you put your thing back on it? Your clamp? You can put it on loosely if you like. Remember just to bring it up tight to the top, this piece underneath, just bring it up a little bit. Your inner fender. Or is it going just like that? Just kind of wondering. Okay, that fits. Let's throw a clamp on this, Hayden. You can loosen it. Oh, good. Good, 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 good. Alrighty. That's just got to come down, son. just gonna draw that with a marker. Is your side fitting, Aiden? Like you seem to be hitting anywheres? Your side not going in?
Not going in at the bottom.
What?
Not going in at the bottom.
Okay, so we need more of this part right here. Just want to make it look nice, if you know what I'm trying to say. Like, we'll take a little bit out. We'll make it look factory. Right? I'll let that go in. Cut that out. Okay. You're fitting good over there. The mounts are fitting good up there. You can't ask no better than that right there.
No, that's
you can't ask no better than that. We can, but we don't know if we're going to get it or not. We could ask for more, but we don't know if we're going to get it or not. So I'm going to bring this back a little bit. Got to bring that up some. And then we got to be able to bring it in further. And then we're going to cut that off and see, then we'll take it back off and we'll see what we got. Yep, Aiden knows the drill. It's good. I don't think I'd fall on you anyways.
I think so.
No, I don't think. You can loosen that one off a little bit for next time if you like.
Yes.
Let's lift her off. We need 2 people to do this. We need 2 people. I'm going to take and cut this one off a little bit further. Clean it up later with a flapper wheel. Make it look good and right. All right, let's try it again, Aiden.
Yep.
Sometimes this is the hardest stuff to get right. Feels good now. How you feel on your side, Aiden? Feel good?
Much better, much better.
Much better? I'm not sure if I'm exactly on where it's supposed to be, but I'm gonna pull that back off for a second. Just take a looky poo-poo. I'm hooked down there for some reason. There's a spot right there and right there. I'm right on the money. See the hole? Right here, I can tell I'm on the money because there's a hole drilled there before and a hole there. It's probably where I'll bolt it back on. I think it was spot welded on before, but you're looking good, Aiden. You're able to fit in on your bottom. Bottom fits in nice.
I don't know if you want it up
Fits
higher.
in nice. That's snug there. Might take a little bit more out of it. Might even put a little bracket on there so we can screw it right to the frame. It's sitting nice on the front end. I have a little corner tab where I'm touching right here. You can see it, not doing anything. See that little tab right there? Hitting on that just a little tiny bit. It's good. I'm gonna take a mark. Make a straighter line. And I can adjust this when I take it off to make it look even better, basically. We're fitting up in there. Now we've got the inner fenders on it. Very happy. Very happy. And basically we got 2 holes drilled. It's fitting nice on that side, perfect on that side. Come take a look. Look how nice that's fitting there. Awesome. Awesome, and I would never expect any more or anything less because we made it right on the car, and that's where it was supposed to fit. We're fitting up nice in there. We're fitting nice over here because that hole lined up perfectly. I actually could put a bolt through this side and we could put the fender on, But basically we know now that the fenders are gone because we got the front end on. What I'm going to do now is just probably end up cleaning off the rust that's on the front end of this a little bit. I'm not sure if I'm going to blast it or what I'm going to do, if I'm just going to sand it off or wheel it off, but we'll get a little primer on that just to make sure we'll get it all the same color. We'll do both sides. We got the hardener from Napa. I want to thank them for bringing over the hardener because we didn't have the right amount the first time. But now if you come in and take a look, sweetheart, you can see we have to make a shock bracket yet. We took the shocks off when we did the front end. And we're going to build something probably off the frame and maybe off this to hold the shock. Something that now that we have the inner fenders on there, now where we know where we can go. Shock brackets down in there. But you can see now if you come in and take a look that the front end is on the car. And that went too easy to put the front end on the car because we built it off the car. So we know that the front end had worked. I'm very happy with the construction of the inner fenders, how that's way in there like that. Did not know, but we know now. So the front end's on the car. Now we know we can get the front end on the car, get the front fenders on it, that sort of stuff. Yeah. So that was that simple. That's how it was. Let's go out and take a look at what we got going on outside. Aiden's been scraping on Jolene's Bugatti. We're going to start that soon, but we have to get the engine clean before we even get anywhere. Jolene's going to go metallic silver. The aluminum that it has, we're going to have to get some machine look on it. We're going to take the valve pan covers on, do a machine look on it. But basically he's been scrubbing on her. He's making her look good, that's for sure. We've got all the sheet metal done for the 48 Ford, the truck. We got the rims done and completed. They're in getting some tires on them. We'll talk to you more about that when we get them back and seeing what it looks like. But we've got all the metal work just kind of, you know, it's welded on and it's done. We're just kind of waiting on tires, and we'll probably show that tomorrow when we get them. We just got her jacked up, probably not the no one's underneath of it, so we're fine. We're jack stand up front, just the jack on the back. But there's some pile of weight going to be taken off that old truck because of them wheels and them tires when they're 8. Huge, huge. All right, everybody, I guess we're just going to continue on. Trying to get some primer on some stuff, and you come back tomorrow and we'll do a little bit more. All right, everyone, have a good one.